The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, power door locks, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, chrome rear bumper, sliding rear window, body color door handles. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.